The question is, Steffi is going to play one game of tennis and one game of chess. The probability that she will win the game of tennis is 0.6 and the probability that she will win both games is 0.42. Work out the probability that she will not win either game. So see, they are talking about two games, that is tennis and chess. So this is a probability questions and we are going to solve it with the tray method. So tennis, the two games are tennis. The first one is tennis and the other one is chess. Okay. So the probability that she will win the game of tennis is 0.6. So we know that either she will win the tennis game or she will lose the tennis game. Okay, so the probability that she will win is 0.6. You know that if we know the probability of winning, we can find out the probability of losing by subtracting the winning from the 1. Okay, because you know that the whole probability is 1. So from the whole probability, if you are subtracting the winning, the rest of the probability is losing. So it means that 1 minus, so to find out the losing probability of tennis, 1 minus 0.6, you will subtract the probability of winning and you will get the probability of losing, which is 0.4. And here we can say that this is the probability of losing tennis. So the probability of tennis is 0.6, so the probability of losing is 0.4. Okay, in the same way, when we are talking about the chess, so we can have either winning or losing, right? So this is winning,
Yes.
and this is losing. The chess, this is winning and this is the losing of chess. But you can see in the question, the probability of winning the chess is not given and the probability of losing the chess is not given. So we can assume that the probability of winning the chess is x and the probability of losing the chess is y. In the same way, this is x and this is y. So now they are asking us that they are telling us, the question says that the probability she will win both games is 0.2. She will win both games is 0.2, mean that we have to find out the the probability which is given is winning, that she is winning both games, this one and this one. Okay, we know that 0.6 and the winning, the probability of winning, that we assume that it x. So when we will multiply these both, winning, okay, so it's 0.6 x, because when we will multiply 0.6 with x, we will get the probability of winning, and that is 0.42. Now we have to find out the value of x. So what we will do is that x is multiplying with 0.6. When we will move it to this side, it will be divided. So divide 0.42 with 0.6, what will you get?
0.7.
0.7. So you know that the probability x is what? X is the probability of winning the chess. So we know the value of x, so we can write down that it is 0.7. So you know that if we know the probability of winning, we can find out the probability of losing by subtracting the probability of winning from 1. So let's find out the probability of losing, and we will subtract 0.7 from 1 and we will get 0.3, right? So what is x is 3, so the probability of losing is y na. So we can say that y is 0.3. Now what they are asking us? They are asking us work out the probability that she will not win either game. So it means that she will find out the probability of losing both games, right? So you can see that this is losing and this is losing. So it means that we will multiply 0.4 with y. So here you will say that probability of she will not win either game? So losing, right? So you will multiply 0.4 with y, and the probability, and we have found the value of y, which is 0.3. So what is the answer? Multiply 0.4 with 0.3, what we will get? Yes, multiply 0.4 with 0.3, 0.12, right?
Yes.
So this is your answer. I hope you got this sum, right? Did you get this sum, Ali?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.